Alrighty, welcome to Medical Aesthetics. I'm Jay. I am the medical esthetician up here at ANWAN. Some of you guys may know me, some of you guys may not. Hi. Alrighty, so for today's presentation, we're going to go over my bio, the services, and it's breaking down into facials, laser treatments, paramedical, tattooing, body contouring, and new services. A little something about me. I was born and raised here in Georgia. I'm a true peach. I actually started doing makeup when I was 14, and that led into me doing skincare, and eventually I went into laser. I've been doing makeup for 9 years since I was 14. Like I said, laser rejuvenation for 3 years, and intense skin therapy for 4 years. I also do paramedical tattooing, brow tinting, body waxing, individual lashes, strip lashes, brows, microderms, teeth whitening, body contouring. I do demos, hydrofacial, and I'm skilled in multiple lasers. So our service list up here right now is as follows: facials, chemical peels, hair removal, laser treatments, body contouring, brows and lashes, paramedical tattooing, and of course new services. So facials. Do you have any of the following: hyperpigmentation, dry skin, fine lines and wrinkles, acnetic skin, oily skin, acne slash ice prick scarring, combination skin, clogged pores, and large pores? Then it's time for you to come see me. And I know that it takes a lot of trust in letting somebody do something to your skin, but I promise you, if you trust me, I'll take you where you want to be. All right, so the type of facials we have is a glowy medic facial. It's basically the basic facial. I always start everybody off at this facial. It's just a microderm, and I always do a whole bunch of extractions. This is me getting to learn your skin. The even out is a brightening facial, also known as the cold facial. It's made to help hyperpigmentation, sunspots, all the good stuff. Um, Crystal clear facial is for acne, and it helps with inflammation, and it leaves your skin clearer, and it helps prevent future breakouts. The Youthful You facial is an anti-aging facial with peptides, antioxidants to snatch your skin back up. The micro laser facial is a microderm and laser together. It's 1 hour. It's designed to treat breakouts, of course, hair removal on the entire face, fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and anything else you need for me to target with the laser, I can get done. The men's facial is designed to deep cleanse men beard and really get into the nicks and crannies of what guys don't really do on a normal day basis. My ANWAN signature is a signature facial. It's more medical, so it's more invasive. This would be if you wanted to do microneedling, dermaplaning, or fibroblasts, and I would try to send you home with 2 weeks of home care. However, if there's something else in this list that you want to try that you don't see, just let me know. Chemical peel is, mm, let's see, how can I describe chemical peel better for y'all? Chemical peel is a form of exfoliation that must be done correctly or you will get burned, because I know everybody have seen a lot of mishaps when it comes down to chemical peel. But chemical peel is good for certain things that you would like to target. So whether it's a facelift, it's acne, it could be hyperpigmentation. It's really, really good for hyperpigmentation. So I would definitely be doing the picking when it comes down to the chemical peels, because I won't just put a chemical peel on somebody fresh off the street. I would definitely need to learn your skin. Okay. So hair removal, which one is best for you, laser or waxing? So laser hair removal machines generate a single wavelength of light. Permanent hair reduction, it's around 6 to 10 treatments. It's safe for all skin tones, and the laser works by targeting the pigment in the follicle. And waxing is a form of hair removal that lasts up to 3 weeks. It's a temporary hair reduction. Treatments are monthly. Um, Helps with hyperpigmentation by exfoliating the outer layer of skin. And wax is a form of hair removal where the hair follicle is removed by using a covering wax and adhere to the body hair. So other treatments we could do with lasers: skin tightening for the body, vein removal, acne, scar revision, tattoo removal. It helps with rosacea, sun damaged skin, fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tones. I also offer brow and lashes. So a brow lamination is a treatment where the brows are basically being permed to where they'll lay flat on the face. That lasts up to 4 to 6 weeks. It's a great thing if you have brow hairs. If you don't have brow hairs, not so much. Cluster lashes, I don't do extensions, you guys, to let you guys know that. Clusters is multiple lashes applied to multiple lashes, not one for one. It takes less time. You can still get the same effect, and it can stay on the same amount of time as extensions. And a brow tint is basically tinting the brow hairs that you do have, or tinting the skin up under it to give you that nice, sharp, clean look. Body contouring. I do wood therapy and N-Scope up here. I bought my cavitation machine, so I'll start throwing that in where I can, where I feel like it'll suit you best. Body contouring is for people that do not want to go under the knife or have stubborn fat in areas that they want to get rid of, but you can get surgery-like results, but without the whole downtime and going through the whole procedure. So N-Scope is a high-intensity focused electromagnetic technology. It is clinically safe and tested on non-surgical treatment, and is a non-surgical treatment to enhance the muscles tissue. So basically, N-Scope is as if you were all to get your stomach done, you would be doing 20,000 sit-ups in 30 minutes, which is more than you can do on your own. The BBL is a combination treatment where I use N-Scope and a vacuum therapy. I might add some wood therapy in there just to warm up the fat, but it's more so just those two. And wood therapy is more for like liquid. If you want to get rid of a lot of liquid and bloating, then wood therapy is best for you. Paramedical tattooing is an advanced form of permanent makeup. Basically, paramedical tattooing is tattooing that blends in with the skin or things that you would like to fix, but it's not so so eye-catching. Alrighty, micro shading and microblading will make the eyebrow appear fuller and filled in. Depends on which look you want. Micro shading is more of a makeup / tint look, and microblading is more of a hair-like stroke. Scalp micropigmentation is for the ones that don't want to do PRP and they just want a buzz cut look. Like I said, it's good for people with scalp scars and chemotherapy. Scar camouflage is basically scar revision. So if you had, let's say you had got a tummy tuck and you want to cover up your scar, I can blend your scar into your skin. Lip blushing is like lip neutralizing. So if it's anybody that smokes or you had trauma on your lips or you want more red lips, then lip blushing will be for you. 3D areola is for anybody that has had cancer, breast cancer, that has lost their nipples or lost a nipple to trauma. I'm able to put the nipple on you in a 3D look. And freckle tattoo is just miscellaneous for anybody that just wants to stop drawing on their tattoos. They're able to get them permanent. Alrighty, our new service is the hydrofacial. So the hydrofacial is a little different because it's a state-of-the-art medical technology facial treatment. It involves cleansing, exfoliation, extractions, and infusion of serums into the skin. And it has a little bit more penetration, so I'm able to actually get into those pores way more than I am than with just my bare hands. And this one also sucks too. So it's like a rotation type thing. I think you guys are really gonna like this one because you're gonna see great results from it. That's just hands down. And I think that's about it. Alrighty, you guys have any questions for me?
I have a question. Is any of this covered under insurance?
No, ma'am, but I do take care credit.
What about HSA?
Stephanie?
It's basically self-pay prices. So of course, care credit and HSA, FSA, all of those are accepted.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody else have any questions for Jade?
Jade, I have a question for you.
Yes,
How long
yes.
does the wood therapy last?
So the wood therapy is permanent results. However, you must do your end of doing your workouts and drinking a lot of water because it's a detox through your lymphatic drainage system.
Okay, and what does that entail when you say that the client has to do their part? Is that exercise or? Okay.
Yep, it's exercise and drinking drinking a lot of water so you can continue to detox.
Okay, and how long is that treatment for the wood therapy?
It depends on what area you want, but I'll say an hour because I might throw in something else to, boost your treatment results.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. All righty, everybody's good on questions because I'm willing to answer whatever questions. There's no dumb questions when it comes down to your skincare and getting things together for yourself.
Well, I have another one. You were talking about the lip tinting.
Lip blushing.
Okay, yes. Okay, sorry. Yes, lip blushing. Is that something permanent?
Yes, it is. They say about 3 to 5 years, but it will always stay on. You just have to come get it touched up.
How's that applied?
Through a tattoo.
Okay, so it says tattooed on. Okay.
You'll be numb during your treatment, so you won't feel it. So I'll make sure everything is good for you prior to. I give you before care and after care. I'll tell you what to do. I send you home with a sheet, so everything is taken care of.
And the recovery time on that?
I say about 6 weeks.
6 weeks? Okay. Thanks.
Yes, ma'am. No problem. Okay. Well, thank you guys for allowing me to present for you all. If you guys have any additional questions outside of here, I'm always here. If you call up here and ask for me, I will gladly answer any more questions for you. Hopefully to see you guys soon.
Thank you.
No problem.